Hello guys, it's Dale here. In today's video I'll show you a nice trading opportunity on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. But before I jump into the chart, I would like to tell you that we are currently running a Black Friday sale on my website, and the Black Friday sale means that you can get my best educational courses on trading with volume profile and order flow 50% discounted. So if you want that, then go to my website, which is trader-dale.com. This is it. And you go over here where it says trading course and tools to get my elite pack that will teach you everything there is about trading with volume profile. And if you are interested in day trading with the order flow, then go over here and you can get my order flow pack 50% discounted in here. All right, so that's the Black Friday deal, and at the top of this 50% discount, what you will also get with either of these packs is this Trade Manager. It's a brand new tool that I developed, and it's super handy tool that helps you in your trading. If you want to learn more about the Trade Manager, then just click this banner and it will take you to this page where you can learn everything about it. I would say that the best thing about the Trade Manager is this feature that protects you from macro news spikes. It's a really cool feature, and I don't really think there's any other indicator over the internet that would be able to do such a thing. So check the Trade Manager out. It is a super handy tool, and you'll get it for free if you join one of my trading courses. So anyways, that's about that. Let's now have a look at the chart. What you see before you, this is the New Zealand dollar US dollar chart, and it is a 30-minute chart. On this chart, what I do is I use my flexible volume profile. That's a volume profile which you can move around like this and look into specific areas. It is a super handy thing because you can only select areas where you are interested in trading, and you can look into the areas and the volumes which were traded there. Like in this case, there was a strong selling activity on the New Zealand dollar US dollar. And when there is a strong selling activity, I'm interested in how volumes were distributed throughout that selling activity, throughout the trend. In this case, you can see that I used the volume profile to select the whole trend area as well as the rotation area that took place before the trend started. The reason I selected also the rotation area is that usually heavy volumes are accumulated within rotation areas. Like in this case, you can see that there were massive volumes accumulated there right before the strong sell-off. Now, what this means is that strong institutional sellers were building up their shorts there within this rotation. Now, how do I tell those were sellers and that they placed shorts in that rotation? The reason is that there's the selling activity which took place afterwards, after the rotation. That's how I can tell. So we now know that there are strong sellers in here. Those sellers are placing a lot of short positions in this rotation, and then those strong sellers manipulated the price to go downwards. Now, what happens when the price makes it back into this heavy volume area, which is starting in here at 0.703? What's most likely to happen is that those sellers from this area will want to add some more to their shorts. This is heavy liquidity zone, and they'll try to use it and add some more to their shorts, and also defend the shorts which they placed in here before, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. Right? They'll be defending this zone. That's why this is a strong day trading resistance, right? Because those sellers will want to defend this heavy volume zone. Something very similar happened earlier today in here. There was also a heavy volume zone. Those volumes were accumulated in here in this rotation. What happened next was a pullback to this heavy volume zone. Also, there was a nice confluence because the price also hit this gray line. It's the first deviation of a VWAP, and price tends to react to it like this, exactly like this. So the price hit the first deviation of a VWAP. It also hit this heavy volume zone, and there was a reaction, 20 pip reaction, more than enough to take a profit from an intraday trade. So why I'm talking about a trade that's already passed, the reason is that the same scenario is in here. Rotation followed by a selling activity. We wait for a pullback and go short from there. The same thing as in here, right? There was a rotation with heavy volumes, pullback and short. The same scenario, right? So that's the reasoning behind the trade on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. There's also one more thing that adds strength to that level. The thing is that this level is very close to weekly point of control. I think I best show you on a different chart. I'll show you on this chart. This is a 60-minute chart. Also New Zealand dollar, US dollar, 60-minute chart. And in here, those profiles that you can see, those are weekly volume profiles, which means that they show how volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. So as you can see, previous week's point of control was in here. Point of control means that heaviest volumes throughout the whole week were traded there, right, at this place. This is where the volume profile is the widest. So this is a weekly point of control. And because so many volumes were traded there, this level is an important one. So it adds strength to our setup, to the volumes that got accumulated in here, and to our level, which is at 70.03, right? Because the weekly point of control is almost exactly at that level. All right, so that's about that. That's about the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget, if you're interested in learning how to trade with volume profile, that there's the Black Friday sale on my website. You can get it by clicking this button or this button, and the sale will end the 30th of November. Alright, so that's about that, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video, and until then, happy trading.